everybody, I need one line. I need $8 in the picture ID or else you're not getting in.
Monday night, to the club. Tuesday night, to the club. Wednesday night, to the club. Thursday night, to the club. Friday night, to the club. Saturday night, to the club. Club.
Drop it.
Excuse me, let me through, please. I'm on the guest list. I'm with the DJ. What do you mean? Check the guest list again, Mr. Bouncerhead Muscle Man. I'm with the DJ, okay?
Bouncy, bouncy, bounce. Baby, bouncy, bouncy, bounce. Baby, bouncy, bouncy, bounce. Baby, 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 bounce. R.I.P. 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 R.I.P.
I'm doing it well.
Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. You don't wanna party, then you gotta go. You don't wanna party, then you gotta go.
This is for the old school gangsters in the streets. Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. Here we go.
I'm gonna tell you what shocked me the most about the club. I didn't know that dance battle, I didn't know that was real. Like, I thought it was just on TV, like with dance crews. That is real.
I'm out of my mind, out of my mind. I'm out of my mind, out of my mind.
If you haven't danced yet, what? Shake that.